Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a really easy and delicious recipe for a moist eggless chocolate cake. So to start with, we need to sift all our dry ingredients first, starting with the flour. Now the sugar here might seem quite a lot, that is because I'm using 1.5 portions of this recipe. Next goes in your cocoa powder, followed by some baking soda, and then salt. Give all the sifted dry ingredients a quick and thorough whisk to make sure everything is mixed evenly. Now for the wet ingredients, I am using here some hot brewed coffee. You can just as easily substitute that for some hot water. I feel it just enhances the chocolate flavor more. Next goes in the oil. You can use any flavorless oil here, followed by some good quality vanilla extract, and lastly some white vinegar. Now give all of this a good mix to make sure everything is well incorporated and there is no dry ingredients left at the bottom. Now give your eggless chocolate cake mixture a final scrape down with a spatula to make sure everything is well combined. Divide this batter in your greased, dusted and parchment-lined pans and bake at 350° Fahrenheit or 180° Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Look at that perfectly flat top cake. See how the cake has left the sides of the pan? That is one sign that the cake has baked, and on pressing on the center it springs back up. For more such easy and delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on that notification bell. I will see you all again next Monday. Until then, happy baking!